What's going on, my friends? Welcome back. Welcome back to another review. Today we are reviewing a gift for somebody that is born in December. So my wife has been born in December. This says queens are born in December. December holly on the back here. So this is a tumbler, they call them. There's many different names, but these keep your drinks hot longer or cold longer. So your hots stay hotter longer and your colds stay colder longer. Very nice, my friends. My wife's gonna love this. She'll probably use this for her tea and coffee. Inside, they also provide you with a straw. It's a stainless steel straw and a cleaning brush as well for the straw. This is a sealable lid that you can press and drink right out. And your straw can also go in there as well, and you can seal it by pressing forward. Overall, stainless steel, nice canister. Whoever's born in December, they're going to love this.